In today's episode, I will present you a powerful method that will help you memorize any topic or list of topics. Sounds impossible? It is not. Thousands of years ago, the ancient Greeks could recite entire laws, poems, and sonnets. Even before Homer's Odyssey, and also even before writing was invented, because those were passed verbally from generation to generation. How did they do that? Follow me on this, and you will be able to do that too. The secret of a good memory relays in the association. In the previous episode, I presented mnemonics, a method that supports memorizing by associating images. This episode is about the Loki method, or mind-palace technique. If you are a person that holds public speeches and want to learn how to easily memorize a speech, this is of interest to you. Loki means places, and the method is based on associating familiar places with the topics that you need to retain. To show you how powerful this method is, I will use it on a technical example, such as requirements analysis. The requirements analysis process consists of the following 4 steps. First, investigating business and understanding the problem. Second, requirements elicitation. Third, documenting requirements. And fourth, requirements review and agreement. And now it's my turn to explain how the ancient Greeks would memorize the steps of requirements analysis using the Loki method. When using this method, you have to take as a reference very familiar environments that you visit on a regular basis, like your home or the way to the office. And then you use this virtual map to mark on it important places to which you assign the topics that you need to retain. For a better understanding, let's watch an example. I don't know so much about you, so it comes easier to me to use my getting home routine, and I hope it is not so extremely different from yours so that you can follow me on this. I will map each of the 4 topics to a place in my home that I encounter in my routine of getting home from the office. I will start at the entrance door, and here I will map investigating business and understanding the problem. I will connect in my head the fact that staying in front of the door and investigating my purse for the keys, it will easily remember me investigating business and understanding the problem. And just between us, the problem is that in a woman's purse, you can find anything but order. Requirements elicitation I will map on the kitchen, because when I get home, I'm usually also hungry. So I have to put together something eatable, either by inquiring the fridge for some leftovers or by preparing something fresh. So, just as in case of requirements elicitation, I have more sources of food that I have to identify and select from each of them the matching ingredient to create the food that solves my hunger problem. Next, I will go to my office room and I will take care of documentation, either reading the brief that I found in the mailbox or the emails or the newspaper. In this case, my office is mapped for documenting requirements, easily to understand why. And finally, requirement review and agreement is mapped on the living room, where the evening program starts with reviewing the entertainment possibilities and agreeing upon one of them. I usually read something for self-development, so I just have to agree with myself upon the topic. But if you watch TV with a family member, the process of reviewing the entertainment program and agreeing upon one proposal is even more similar to the requirements review and agreement. The advantage of using this technique to memorize things is that you get to rehearse them daily while doing your routine and without added time effort. And the beauty of the video training is that I can feed you images that make an impression upon your mind, so you can easily remember the topics. If you do not have such a video support like in this case, you can use the Loki technique together with mnemonics by creating yourself the images that you need to map. I hope you enjoy the trip in the world of short-term memory, but more than that, I hope that you retain useful information out of my videos that will help improve your memory.